Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food Happy Lifestyle. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you like it, please subscribe now to my channel and share the video with your friends. Did you know that ginger, a common spice in your kitchen, has been used medicinally for over 2,000 years? That's right, ginger. The piquant root that adds a zesty kick to your meals has a rich history stretching back millennia. This humble root, native to Southeast Asia, quickly spread across the globe thanks to its unique flavor and remarkable health benefits. It was highly prized in ancient civilizations, from the Romans and Greeks who used it to aid digestion, to Chinese and Indian cultures, where it was a staple in traditional medicine. In the medieval times, ginger was considered a luxury spice, worth its weight in gold. It was believed to ward off the plague, a belief that may not be entirely unfounded. Modern science has revealed that ginger possesses powerful antibacterial properties. But the wonders of ginger don't stop there. It was also used in the ancient practice of Ayurveda, a holistic healing art from India. Here, ginger was known as the universal medicine for its wide range of health benefits. It was used to soothe aches, reduce inflammation, and even as a remedy for common colds and flus. Fast forward to today, and the scientific community is echoing these age-old beliefs. Numerous studies have backed the therapeutic properties of ginger. For instance, research has shown that ginger can indeed aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity, among other benefits. However, it's not just the health benefits that have stood the test of time. The versatility of ginger is equally impressive. Whether it's added to a warming cup of tea, used to spice up a stir-fry, or included in a refreshing smoothie, this root is as delicious as it is beneficial. So, whether you're a fan of its distinct flavor, or you're simply intrigued by its health-boosting properties, there's no denying the power of ginger. In other words, ginger is not just a spice, but a powerhouse of health benefits. It's a simple, natural remedy that has been trusted for centuries and continues to impress with its potent properties. So why not make ginger a staple in your diet and experience its benefits for yourself? Now you might be wondering, what exactly are these health benefits? Well, let's dive straight into it. Firstly, ginger is an exceptional immunity booster. It's rich in antioxidants which help in fighting off free radicals, those nasty molecules that cause damage to your cells and contribute to aging and diseases. An article published in the International Journal of Preventive Medicine found that ginger's antioxidant content can help strengthen your immune system, keeping you healthier and happier. Next, let's talk about digestion. Ever had an upset stomach and someone recommended a ginger ale? That's because ginger has been used for centuries as a digestive aid. It speeds up the emptying of the stomach, which can be beneficial for people with indigestion and related stomach discomfort. In fact, a study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology affirmed this, showing that ginger accelerates gastric emptying and stimulates gastric motility. Now, on to inflammation. Ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains compounds called gingerols that have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. According to a review in the International Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism, these compounds can reduce inflammation and even help alleviate pain related to conditions like osteoarthritis. Lastly, let's touch on cardiovascular health. Ginger has been found to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming ginger can help decrease LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, thereby promoting heart health. So as you can see, ginger packs a punch when it comes to promoting health and vitality. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your digestion, reduce inflammation, or support your heart health, ginger has something to offer. And the best part? It's all natural. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? There's a world of wellness waiting in this humble root. Now that we know how beneficial ginger can be, how can you incorporate it into your daily diet? Integrating ginger into your meals can be as simple as adding a sprinkle of ground ginger to your morning oatmeal or blending a small piece into your favorite smoothie. For those who love to cook, fresh ginger adds a zesty kick to stir-fries, soups, and even baked goods. Another popular way is making ginger tea. It is easy to prepare and can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a versatile addition to your routine. But maybe you're wondering, how much ginger should I use? The answer is, it doesn't take much. Even a small amount of ginger can pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. In fact, just 1 to 2 grams of ginger can help alleviate nausea, and as little as a quarter teaspoon daily may effectively reduce muscle pain. For those who prefer convenience, ginger supplements are available in various forms like capsules, oils, and even chewable tablets. These can be a great option, especially for those who may not enjoy the taste of ginger but still want to reap its benefits. However, it's important to remember that while supplements can be helpful, they should not replace a balanced diet. There's also the option of ginger-infused drinks that can be a refreshing and healthful addition to your routine. Consider starting your day with a glass of ginger water, or winding down in the evening with a warm cup of ginger tea. These simple beverages not only provide the benefits of ginger, but also keep you well hydrated, which is crucial for overall health. In conclusion, whether you choose to slice it, dice it, brew it, or chew it, there are countless ways to incorporate ginger into your lifestyle. But remember, as with anything, moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to unwanted side effects. Remember, a little ginger can go a long way towards boosting your health. Now, are you ready to give it a try? To get you started, here's a simple recipe for a healthy ginger drink. This drink is not just refreshing and tasty, it's packed with ingredients that can help you live a healthier lifestyle. First, start with 50 grams of fresh ginger. Ginger is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which help protect your body from free radicals. It's also a great anti-inflammatory and can help soothe aches and pains. Simply peel and finely grate the ginger. Next, take 1 orange and 1 citron. Citrus fruits like these are high in vitamin C, which is vital for a healthy immune system. It also helps in collagen production, which is great for skin health. Cut them in half and squeeze the juice out, and make sure to catch any seeds. Now add a tablespoon of turmeric. This spice is famous for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's also been linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. Just make sure to always pair turmeric with black pepper to enhance its absorption by the body. Finally, pour 200 milliliters of water into a pot. Add your ginger, orange, and citron juice and turmeric. Stir it all together and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, lower the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and ensures that you're getting the full benefits of all the ingredients. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and let the drink cool. Once it's at a comfortable temperature, strain it into a mug or a glass, and your healthy ginger drink is ready to serve. This drink is best enjoyed warm, so sip it slowly and take in all the goodness it has to offer. This recipe is a great way to incorporate ginger and other healthy ingredients into your diet. It's simple, quick to prepare, and packed with health benefits. Enjoy this refreshing and health-boosting drink, and remember, your journey to a healthier lifestyle can start with something as simple as a spice in your kitchen: ginger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, subscribe to our channel and we'll see each other soon again. If you like our video, we would be happy if you share it with your friends, support us with a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share your opinion with us. Stay healthy and see you soon.